Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you restaurant style paneer makhni using less oil and butter. So here in a pressure cooker I'm taking 3 tablespoons of oil, some jeera and some khara masala. So here 2 dried red chili, 3 elaichi, 3-4 loving and 2-3 black pepper and some anise seed. So I'm using half of it and everything putting in. And now you let it cook for 2 seconds. And now on the side, as you can see, we have half onion, 5 garlic cloves and 1 pick of ginger. Roughly chop them and putting in the pressure cooker and cook until it gets soft. I'm also adding half teaspoon of salt and just stir it. And once it starts to turn brown, then we are going to add whole tomato. I am using 3 big tomatoes and 15 to 20 cashews and at the last 1/4 cup of water. Now we are going to close the lid and cook it until it gets to whistle. Now the gravy that we are making now, you can use the same gravy to make mixed vegetable sabji. So it's like 1 gravy and 2 sabji. And after doing whistles, you open it up and let it cool down. And on the side, I am also making homemade paneer. So after the milk is boiled, we add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar until it starts floating on the top, as you can see it like that. And that's all you have to do. And now your paneer is ready. So what we are going to do is strain it using the the cotton cloth, and make sure you have a bigger potter at the bottom to collect the liquid. So that's what I'm doing now. And you put the heavy pan on the top. This way paneer could get settled. And make sure the knot stays on the side, not on the top, otherwise paneer wouldn't get settled. So that's how you make paneer. And you open it off after an hour. And in the meantime, my paneer, the pressure cooker gravy is cool now. So I'm going to add it in the grinder. And I'm also using half cup of tomato sauce. Grind everything and now we are going to strain it. Now we are going to cook the gravy. So I'm using some butter and some oil, add some jeera, and for the color we are using half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili, which is not spicy, and add our gravy. Also add 2 teaspoons of sugar if you like. As you can see, the color looks so nice without adding any color. And now you close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. While it's cooking, I am also going to roast kasturi methi on the lid. And this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. Then now the gravy is too hard, so we are going to add some water in it and cook it again. On this side, I am also making rotli. Usually it goes with naan, but since it's homemade, then we are making rotli with that. And at the end, you add kasturi methi on the top and you stir it. Now if you need garam masala, you add it in, otherwise you don't need it. And this is how my homemade paneer looks like. So since my paneer is soft, I'm not going to add it in the gravy. But if you buy store-bought paneer, then you have to cook it in the gravy for 3 to 4 minutes until it gets soft. And if you need to add some cream, you can add it now. But since my family doesn't like too much cream and too much butter, I'm not going to add it in. But in order to get the restaurant quality paneer makhni, you need to have some cream. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.